Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing it. This is my sedum adolphi. Today we'll see how to propagate a succulent from leaf. So let's begin. Take a healthy leaf from the bottom of the plant. It should be little mature, not the fresh one. Then twist the leaves. You will see that the leaves will come out easily if you twist it. See, if you pluck, the leaves may not come properly and it will not be able to root. So it's better that you twist it so that it will come clean and nice. Here I am taking some 2 to 3 leaves. I have collected the leaves. Now I will place it in sun for 2 to 3 hours so that it will form the callus. This is after 3 hours. You can see the area from which the leaves got detached from the plant. Now it has formed a nice callus. Now I am placing these leaves in the soil like this. It will just touch the soil. You can take any container. Here I have taken a food container. Now spray some water. Make sure that the soil remains moist. The soil should not get dried. If you see it is drying, then you can spray some more water, but make sure it is not soggy. These are few leaves that I have propagated. You can see new babies have come out. It has tiny roots there. If you can see properly, white tiny roots. These pups will take energy from this parent leaf. Once they grow a little older, then this parent leaf will get dried out. You can then easily separate them and plant it in a new planter. This is one of the pups that I have grown. So once it has detached from the parent leaf, I have placed it here. This is one of the method to propagate succulents. So please do try. How did you like today's video? Please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.